Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths. As before I begin practice at 33, I am going to teach you what is called like terms. Like terms means terms which have the same variables with the same powers are called like terms. What are like terms? I am repeating again. Terms which have the same variables with the same powers are called like terms. So look at these examples of like terms. 7m, 9m, 4/5m. You have the same variable here. All three numbers having the same variable. So this is the like terms. The second one example also see. 12a square b minus 6a square b. A square b and a square b. 12a square b minus 6a square b. Different numbers with same variables and with the same power. So these two examples are like terms. Now next, unlike terms. Unlike terms means you have the different variable with the different power. You don't have the same variable with the same power. That is unlike terms. So first one, 20mn square, 15m square n. First one number is what? 20mn square. Second one is 15m square n. Here in first number n square is there, and in second number variable here m square n. You don't have the same power over here. Here you have only m, and here you have only m square. Here you have n square, and here you have n. You have the different power over here if you have the same variable. So that is why it is unlike terms. Minus 35ab plus 64cd. You have the different numbers and you have the different variables with the different power. In the first number, the second one, minus 35ab, which are the variable? ab. And in second number, 64, variable is what? cd. You have the different variable and with the different power. So both these examples are unlike terms. So now we will begin the practice at 33. Add. You have to add horizontally and vertically. First I am teaching you vertical method. 9p plus 16q, 13p plus 2q. Now here I have arranged vertically. 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. So you have to add this in vertical arrangement first. 16 plus 2. Your answer is 18. You have the same variable. If you have the same variable, your answer also you have to write same variable. You cannot add the variable. Like terms you cannot be added, but only numbers of the like terms you can add. Variables which you have the same, that cannot be added. That answer you have to write as it is. Now plus into plus is plus. You have to convert the sign also by using the sign formula. Now here 9 plus 13. You have which variable here? 9 and 13. You have the variable p. You have the same variable here. So if the variables are same, answer also you have to write same variable. Variable cannot be added. Only the numbers can be added. 13 plus 9 is 22. Now next one is horizontal arrangement I am teaching. Now in horizontal arrangement, you have to write in bracket form. Both these expressions are binomial expressions. 9p plus 16q, comma 13p plus 2q. Both these expressions are binomial. So this you have to write in bracket form. These two binomial expressions you have to write in bracket form, and in middle you have to put plus sign because this is add. You have to write like this. See, 9p plus 16q. Middle you have to put plus sign, and then second binomial expression also you have to write in bracket. Both the binomial expression you have to write in bracket form, and in middle you have to put plus sign because this you are doing addition. 13p plus 2q. So both the binomial expressions have written in bracket. Now you have to bring the like terms together. 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. 9p and 13p you have to write together because these are the like terms. 9p and 13p, variable which you have same you have to see that, not numbers. Only the variable which you have the same and with the same power you have to see first, and then you have to write it in together, and then whether you have to add it or to subtract it you have to decide. Nine p, if you don't understand you can underline here. 9p and 13p. Now you can write together in addition form. Before you bring it together, when you write in like terms and when you write it in together in like terms, which sign is there, you have to check first. 9p plus 13p. You have to write in bracket. Plus, now another variable we'll see. We have another variable 16q. 16q plus 2q. That you have to write together in another bracket. Because we have the different variables here, and it is when the question is given both in mixed variable. They are not given in like terms variable, both in mixed variable they are given. You have to write in like terms form. So second one variable is what? Q. First one variable I have written together, that is which is given p. Second one is q. Which number you have? 16q. 16q and another binomial expression, which number you have with variable q? 2. So 16q plus 2q. Another variable when you are writing in like terms, that you have to write it in second bracket. So now you have to add this 9p plus 13p. (22p). Variables cannot be added. If the variables are same, the variables of the answers will be same, but only the numbers can be added. See here 9p plus 13p. Here you have both the variables same. Variable cannot be added over here. P plus p cannot be added here. If the variables are same, that only answer you have to write variable. Only the numbers you can add. You can't understand, I am explaining here repeatedly so that you can understand it. 22p plus 16 plus 2. Again you have to add only numbers. You have the same variable. If the variables are same, then answer you have to write that only variable. 16 plus 2 is the variables are same, when you are adding, then your answer also variable that only. Variable cannot be added. Only the numbers can be added. Now finally you got this answer 22p plus 18q. You have the different variable and this is unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added. Only the like terms can be added. Remember this. Like terms, variable which are same, that only number can be added. Variables which are different with the different power, that cannot be added. Now you got the answer 22p plus 18q. This is the answer because you got different variable here. After adding 22p plus 18q, p and q you have different variable. So if you have different variable, you cannot add the number. So this is the answer. So second one I am solving here. You have to check the answer. A plus 6b plus 8c, 16a plus 13c plus 18b. First time you have to write in vertical arrangement because vertical arrangement is easier than horizontal arrangement. The way you do 2a plus 6b plus 8c you have to write here. Then next one 16a you have to write here plus 13c. 13c where it is, where there is 8c is there, down you have to write 13c. Always you have to arrange in like term form, also in vertical arrangement. And 6b plus 18b. 6b plus 18b you have to arrange it in vertical arrangement. See, look here, 2a plus 6b plus 8c, 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Look at this number properly. And then you can arrange vertical arrangement. First one question is 2a plus 6b plus 8c. You have to write here. Second one is 16a plus 13c is given. Second one, trinomial expression is given. C first and B afterwards. 16a you have to write down where a is there, like term which is there same, you have to write it down. And another b, 6b, and another p where you find 18b, where b is there only place you have to write in like term form in vertical arrangement. Now look at C. What is there? Plus 8c. Plus 8c you have to write here. And where is trinomial expression, second one, C, here. So where C is there, that only place you have to write down in vertical arrangement and in like term form, 13c. So now you have to add. Variables cannot be added. Variables you have to write same. So you have to add only the number. 13 plus 8, 21. Plus into plus is plus. Next one, again variables cannot be added, right? Variable as it is, answer. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is how much? 24. Again, no, add only the number. 2 plus 16, 18. Now we'll do horizontal arrangement, last one. Other four sum tomorrow we'll continue. Write this in bracket. This is trinomial expression. 2a plus 6b plus 8c, 16a plus 13c plus 18b. These two expressions are in trinomial. Three terms are there. So this you have to write in bracket first. 2a plus 6b plus 8c. Next one, 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Now you have to bring the like terms together and then you have to add. Look here properly. I have arranged in horizontal arrangement. So I am writing here, this is horizontal. Two a plus 6b plus 8c, 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Now you have to arrange in like terms. 2a, another a which where is there? In second bracket, a where is there? There you have to write. This number you have to write it together. 2a plus 16a. Close the bracket. Plus, now next one variable is b. Write in bracket. 6b, another b where is there? In another bracket. 18b. See, look here. 6b plus 18b. The like terms which you are bringing, same variable which you have, the like terms which you are bringing, you have to write all this in addition form and then you have to add finally. When you get answer in unlike terms, then you have to stop that. That will be the answer. 2a plus 16a plus 6b plus 18b plus, now last one is c is there. 8c, see in second bracket c where is there? Here. 8c plus 13c. Now you have to add this like terms. If you have the same variables, variables cannot be added, only the numbers can be added. A and A. 2 plus 16, 18. B. 6 plus 18, 24. Plus C. 13 plus 8, 21. So now we will get the answer in unlike terms. 18a plus 24b plus 21c. Unlike terms cannot be added. Different variable is there, cannot be added that number. So this is the answer. When you do both in vertical and horizontal arrangement, your answer should be same. Check that. And see in horizontal arrangement, your answer is same or not? Yes, your answer is same. And first one also see. Check. Horizontal and vertical arrangement, your answer should be same. In a vertical arrangement, you have to arrange it vertically. Means you have to write like terms down. So first one also answer is same. Both in horizontal and vertical arrangement. Other four sum I will teach tomorrow.